Hello, kids! Today, we are going to learn about verbs. Let's begin. A verb is a word that conveys an action, an occurrence, or a state of being. There are two types of verbs, main verbs and helping verbs. Main verbs, these express action. Helping verbs. Helping verbs are also called auxiliary verbs. These help the main verb to form sentences. We can categorize helping verbs into 6 families. Be family: am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been. Have family: has, have, had. Do family: do, does, did. Can family: can, could. Will family: will, would. Shall family: shall, should. Let's solve. Write the helping verbs and main verbs in the given sentences. I am visiting a museum tomorrow. Helping verb, am. Main verb, visiting. My friends have come with me. Helping verb, have. Main verb, come. My sister was not coming with us. Helping verb, was. Main verb, coming. We have decorated the board. Helping verb, have. Main verb, decorated. The audience is praising the magician. Helping verb, is. Main verb, praising. Now kids, let's fill in the blanks using the correct helping verbs. Who dash chopped the tomatoes? Who has chopped the tomatoes? I dash worried about the weather. I am worried about the weather. The school bus dash arrived on time. The school bus has arrived on time. I dash got some bad news for you. I have got some bad news for you. They dash preparing for the cricket league. They are preparing for the cricket league. I hope my brother dash attended the event on time. I hope my brother has attended the event on time. Ratan and I dash studied in this school for 10 years. Ratan and I have studied in this school for 10 years. My father dash developed a good sense of humor over time. My father has developed a good sense of humor over time. When a helping verb is followed by not, the two words can be shortened. Let us look at some examples. Has plus not equals hasn't. Will plus not equals won't. Do plus not equals don't. Did plus not equals didn't. Can plus not equals can't. For example, will you not come with us? Won't you come with us? Now, kids, let's practice shortening helping verbs with not. Have not. Haven't. Could not. Couldn't. Does not. Doesn't. Were not. Weren't. Had not. Hadn't. Would not. Wouldn't. Now let's rewrite these sentences with the helping verbs using the shortened forms of not. We should not shout in the library, but we can shout in the park. We shouldn't shout in the library, but we can shout in the park. My aunt could not play Ludo. My aunt couldn't play Ludo. We are not happy with the low temperature of this winter. We aren't happy with the low temperature of this winter. Will you not come with us? Won't you come with us? My uncle did not want to ride in the roller coaster. My uncle didn't want to ride in the roller coaster. Great work, kids! Today, we learned about verbs, both main verbs and helping verbs. See you in the next class. Bye-bye!